Tonight, we have an easy target. We must be careful and quick. Marco, tonight's job is yours.
Don't worry, boss. I'll handle it.
Dinner is ready, everyone.
It smells delicious. Amelia, your grandma is very sick. Please come quickly.
What? We are coming right now.
Amelia, get your coat. We must go now.
Yes, let's hurry. Ethan, Lily, stay inside and keep the door locked.
Okay, Mom, we will be careful.
I hope Grandma's okay.
I hope we reach there quickly.
We will.
Oh, Amelia, Alex, come inside. Grandma, we came as fast as we could. Grandma, how are you feeling now?
I feel a little weak, but I'm okay.
Everything will be fine, Grandma.
Thank you, Alex.
Which house is empty tonight?
This house is perfect. Kids are alone. Tonight, we take the risk. The front door has a bell. Too risky. The window might be better.
Okay. Quietly, here we go. Where is the gold? Maybe next room. Gold! This is worth a lot. Where do they keep the money? I've checked everywhere, still nothing. All the cash, quickly, into the bag.
Ethan, look at my dollhouse. Wow, let's build a toy city together.
The children are still busy playing. What should I do next? I've searched everywhere. Maybe I should eat something first.
Let's see what they have here. Wow, this is good food. Just a short rest.
Ethan, I'm hungry. Can you bring something from the kitchen?
Sure, Lily. Be right back. Let me check the fridge. Wait. This food wasn't like this before. Someone has been here. Lily? I think someone is in the house.
We need a smart plan.
Let's trap him. Let's put toys on the stairs.
Good idea. And we add oil here.
He will slip.
Now we wait.
Be quiet.
Where am I? I should leave now. Whoa!
It worked!
Our plan worked.
These kids!
Wait, I hear something again.
He's still inside.
What is this flaw? My leg! I can't move properly.
Ethan, we should call the police.
Yes, right now.
Hello, please help. There is a thief in our house.
Stay calm. Where are you? We are coming.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, they will come soon.
What have I done? I might get caught now.
We got a call about a robbery.
Let's move fast.
Ethan, call Dad too.
Yes, he should know. Dad, come home quickly.
There is a thief here.
I'm coming right now.
Okay, I'm driving.
Where is the thief?
He is in the kitchen.
Wait, don't arrest me! You are under arrest. You both were very brave.
Thank you, sir.
Let's take him.
Lily! Ethan!
Are you both okay?
We are okay, Mom. Don't worry.
We are proud of you.
We will never leave you alone again.